I found a new roof liner at the junkyard. The guy asked for it $35, so I just decided to buy it and remove it myself. It takes about maximum 1 hour and the roof liner is out. I'm gonna remove a sun visor. It has 2 screws on the left side. You remove the screws, they look like this, and you can just pull it out from the bracket. Once you removed it, just put it on the side, and after, to remove the bracket, here is one more screw. You remove this screw, it's a Phillips driver, you take it out, take out the bolt, and after you can just pull it out. This is how it looks. So after you will remove the handle, this is from the right side. Now we're gonna remove the left side. To remove the handle, open this cap. There is a cap that is hiding the bolt, and after you can take out the bolts. Actually there are screws too, so we removed the first screw, and here is the second screw. You take out the screws and you remove the handle. As you can see, the handle is out. You also will need to remove this light, open the, or actually the lights you can leave them in places because there are no screws. The only screws are here in the front. You just open this compartment. You will need to open this, and here are gonna be 2 screws. 1, 2. You will need to take them out as well. To remove the pillar cover, you will need to pull it out from the clip, and after you will need to put more force to pull out this clip. This clip is holding the plastic when the airbag explodes, so the plastic is not hitting you. So after you pulled it out from the clip, just pull it a little bit, put a little bit more force and pull out this tab, so it will come out like this. So I disconnected everything around the roof. As you can see, it's out. Now I'm gonna pull it all the way out of the car. Electrical connector on the back side, this one, so I already disconnected, and this one stays here like this. I'm gonna put it back. So I got a double roof. I was able to make it fit inside without removing the second one, so we are good to go. Now I have to drive about 2 hours to get home. So now we're gonna prepare the fabric. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna do the measurements and we're gonna cut it and prepare for the liner. And there was some stains on the floor, so now I'm gonna use this solution and I'm gonna clean the floor. After I'm gonna use a strong vacuum cleaner to dry it out.